I know if you know currently depressed. Loving yourself, just know so God love you. And I'm loving you. Yeah, myself. What would I? Welcome back, all viewers, all subs, to the trendy dancehall. You see me, and if it ain't trending, we ain't talking about it. Well, sad to say, on the behalf of certain circumstances, and Shenseea Mom passed away. Well, we are gonna get to that, to also just stick around. In a family for all of the people and where I go through depression himself. You see me, so if you reach this far, please subscribe because the video is about to get lit. You see me?
Cocky in a box, she bite up. Come up here with another freak. Millions count every other week. Spain town love all the cat that we come. Don't gonna send me out like a brother leave. In a defense, girl have a seat.
A mad thing, man. So the youth there style of G son. The first time when him appear, when me know him actually, I had a picture here when I share with him right here. So him I bring him to the street same way. He must say give him 2 more here, and then I see what time it is. So 2 more here for the dog, son, and I hit him say.
And they're playing that Popcaan here, and now he gone ballad.
No, sir. Popcaan. No, sir. Then you hear my mother?
Yeah.
You hear my mother? No, we have to go fix this. This not safe. Trouble.
Yeah, man, people. So that are the same video Popcaan share on his page, in regards about Shenseea and our mom. So there was a past conversation between them, more from good vibes, is it? So the dog has said he must, show him respect same way, and I send condolence over to her, you see me? This say, rest well, mama. Thanks for the great energy. Shenseea, my condolence to you and the family during this tough time. Keep your head up. Sending regards on behalf of the unruly, Yeah, man, people, it real, man. Condolence all the way. Remember that. Yeah. And I hope you recover very soon, you see it? From the whole situation itself, you get me? Yeah, man, people. So besides that and everything, I just want to make you know, say this could have been anybody, mother, so we have to just put ourselves in a fear shoes and try to feel what she feel, you see me? And as far as I see it, it seems like our mother was a nice lady, you see me? As you can see, so much artists and people, them way they interact with her, and have a laugh same way, because it's like she know the artists them at the same time, so she keep current, you see me? Our mommy look like a good soul, man, no lies. Hey, man, people, so prayers go up for her and thing, you see me? And for all who ask how she did and thing, what she did by and them someday, all I can really say is that she's sick, she did heal, but further discussion with a ex, like disclose that later or some other time when we get good source of information, because I can't just say what I don't know, but I'm sure she was sick, but it's not sure. I mean, like, I can disclose that and explain later what really happened. You see me? But for now, I just want to bless her, pray for her, support her and thing. At the end of the video this, so please consider like, subscribe, share to a friend, family. It don't matter, just share it. Here's it.